And through the main entrance doors, you can see a little glimpse of a window, or of the back doors through there. So when I come back out, and it'll come back and focus back out here. So that proves that there's now first floor is built. In fact, the first floor is now completed. And then on over this way to more the front of the building here, on the end going toward Whittier. And then coming back across here, those auditorium windows again I just showed. Still see the stage. And then this end of the building here, going toward Flint Public Library. And the setting of the model, though the library wasn't, Flint Public Library wasn't built, it was all woods and paths running through. So it's a nice view again of those auditorium windows, and above there with the library and the study hall. And from here it shows the reality that the second floor isn't built yet, because the second floor windows are still lit inside and the first floor ones are dark.